This video is all about something I've been wanting to do for a long time. It is to put a camera on my pouring trolley to capture the action when I'm pouring. And there is the mounting point where the camera is going to go. And there's a heat shield, glass heat shield, so it will protect the camera from the intense heat that's held on by a couple of battery clamps. For today's melt, I'll be using a mixture of two different types of cast iron. This pile here is normal grey cast iron, and over here this pile is ductile iron. I would prefer to use all ductile iron, but I haven't got any more left. Here is a shot inside my furnace. Today I will be melting approximately 15.1 kilograms of cast iron. to leave that one. I haven't got enough metal. And that's what's left over. This is the first mould I poured. Looks like it filled up the mould, took the majority of the metal and was very thin. I've given the casting a quick clean up with the wire brush. Looks like it's come out really nice. But to give you an idea of the size of it, it's 440 millimeters in diameter, and it only used 2 gates to fill it up. Now, a quick word about the gating system that I used for the biggest casting I poured. The sprue height or box height was 66 millimeters. That's perfectly adequate to fill up that mould, and that diameter is perfectly adequate for that size. Now you see some people on YouTube try and extend them. Really, it's totally unnecessary and it wastes an awful lot of metal. Now, to prove the point, here is some of the leftover metal that I poured, and we'll have a look. There's only 20 millimeters between the top of that casting and the very top level of the sprue, and to fill that mould up adequately. So you don't need a very tall sprue to fill up a mould or to feed it. Here is the finished casting. It's been all painted and cleaned up and looks really great. To give you an idea of the size of the casting, it's 270 millimeters across, and this is what the pattern looks like.